Hello, my name is Joseane and today I will talk about Java burn. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have a very important news to talk to you. Java burn is a proven powder supplement that can help you lose weight. It is the first natural formula that is combined with coffee, patented, safe and natural. But before proceeding, it is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety when buying, I left in the description of this video the official link of Java burn where you can take advantage of a special offer from the producer. Remember that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do about the product. What is Java burn? Java burn is a dietary supplement designed to help people with weight loss difficulties. The researchers found something very common in overweight women and men. It plays a vital role in many metabolic and detoxification processes, being essential for maintaining the health and balance of the organism as a whole. Java burn accelerates metabolism and helps in burning fats accumulated within your body. Remember that it is non-GMO. Benefits of Java burn. Java burn promotes weight loss through ingredients that suppress appetite, speed up metabolism or follow fat absorption, making you feel more satisfied with smaller portions of food. It contains substances that promote an increase in metabolism, which results in a greater burning of calories. It contains stimulants that provide an energy boost, which helps improve motivation for physical exercise. It is essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications. It is recommended to do everything correctly to enjoy the wonderful effects throughout the day. Each organism works in a different way, so the results vary according to each person. The ideal is to do the treatment for a few months to have great results, especially if you want to lose more weight after 21 days. Warranty. Java burn offers a 100% warranty to its 60-day customers for product returns, full or empty bottles. If you are not fully satisfied with the product within 60 days, just contact us at or call the toll-free number. Full refund of the product within 48 hours of return, no questions and questions as to why. Conclusion. If you want to know more about Java burn and want to check the information closely, I will be leaving the link in the description for more information. Be sure to visit the site for free. I'm sure it will help you clarify many doubts. Write here in the comments your opinion about Java burn and if you have already used Java burn. If you liked Java burn, I will be leaving here in the description the link for more information if you feel the desire to acquire Java burn. Kisses and until the next video.